Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve XAT 2017 question paper set A. In our last videos we have solved this question paper of section 3 up till questions 49. So now we are going to start with question number 50. So question 50 says a shop which sold same marked price shirts announced an offer. So here we are talking about a shop which sells shirts of the same marked price, and this shop has recently announced an offer. So let's check what is the offer. So if one buys 3 shirts, then the fourth shirt is sold at a discounted price of rupees 100 only. Okay, so we have a very interesting discount here which says if a person buys 3 shirts, then the fourth shirt will be sold at rupees 100 only. So Patel took the offer. So here we have a guy who is taking this offer. So he left the shop with 20 shirts after paying rupees 20,000. So this guy took 20 shirts from the shop and paid rupees 20,000 for them. So what is the marked price of the shirt? So now we need to find the marked price of this shirt. So let's assume the marked price to be X. So let the marked price of each shirt equal to X. So this is the marked price of the shirt. Hence cost price of 4 shirts. We can find the cost price of 4 shirts. So cost price of first 3 shirts will be 3x plus the fourth shirt will be given at a discounted rate of rupees 100 only. So the fourth shirt will cost rupees 100. Hence this is the total money required to buy 4 shirts. Hence cost price of one shirt will be equal to 3x plus 100 divided by 4. Therefore cost price of 20 shirts will be equal to 20 into 3x plus 100 divided by 4. So this is the cost price of 20 shirts which has been given to us, that is rupees 20,000. So this is equal to 20,000. So now we can solve this easily, which will give us 5x plus 500 equal to 20,000. So this will, further solving this, we will get 5x equal to, this will be 15x. Yeah, 15x is equal to 19,500. Hence our x will be equal to 19,500 divided by 15. So this will give 145 minus 300. So our x has the value 1300, and we have assumed the market price of each shirt to be x, which is equal to rupees 1300. Hence this is required market price of each shirt, that is 1300. So let's check the options. Option number B matches with our answer. Hence option B is the correct answer to this question. So let's move on to the next question, that is question number 51. So question 51 says the volume of a pyramid with a square base is 200 centimeter cube. So here we are talking about a pyramid which has a square base. So first let us draw the square base of the pyramid. So this is basically the base of the pyramid, and let us draw diagonals because we require diagonals always whenever we do a sum of squares. So here is the base of the pyramid and its volume is 200 centimeter cube. So the height of the pyramid is 13 centimeter. Okay, so we have been given the volume. So let us note down the given data. So volume will be 200 centimeter cube. Let height be known as h, that is 13 centimeter. So this is the height and the volume. Now what will be the length of the slant edges? That is the distance between the apex and any other vertex rounded to the nearest integer. So we need to find the length of the slant edge. So let us draw a 3D diagram of the pyramid. So here we have one slant height, here we have the another one, and here we have the third one. So let's draw the base. So this is one side of the square, this is another side, and the rest two sides are hidden backward. So from this we know that the height is 13. So let us draw the height of the pyramid here. So basically this is the height which drops at the center of the square. So from this we have the edges, that is the diagonals. I have drawn the diagonal in this square diagram. So this will basically these are the lines from the center of the square till the edges. So our this distance has been given, that is 13 centimeter from this point, that is the apex, till the center of the square. So we have been given the volume to be 200 and height is 13. So we need to find the length of this slant height. So let us begin with our sum. So to find the slant height, we can assume this to be a right angled triangle. This will be a right angled triangle, right angled at the center of the square. So for this we have the height, that is 13. All we need is the base, and from that we can find the hypotenuse. So for the base, which is half of the diagonal of the square, this is our base in that triangle. So for this base we need to find the side of the square. So side of the square can be found out from this volume. So we know the formula of a volume of a pyramid, that is 1/3 into area of the base, which is found by the square of the sides, into the height of the pyramid. So we have the data here. Volume is 200 centimeter cube, which is equal to 1/3. Now area of the base. Area of the base is found by the side square. So let the side be known as A. So this will be A square into height. Height we have been given 13 centimeter. So this will be 13. So from this we can write A equal to 600 by 13, and we have a root over to this. So our A is 600 by 13, root over 600 by 13. So our side we have got, that is root over 600 by 13. So from this we can find the half of the diagonal. So this can be done. We have a right angle triangle here. So this one is a right angle triangle. Hence our hypotenuse is given. Now let's check the sides. So let the half of the diagonal be known as B. So this is also B. Hence this base is B in this triangle. So our B will be our B square, that is this. Let this be height, perpendicular, let this be base. So B square plus B square will be equal to the hypotenuse, that is root over 600 by 13. So this will be 2B square equal to root over 600 by 13. So this will give us B square equal to, okay, not root over, because we have to make square of the hypotenuse also. So this root over goes off. So we will not have the root over here. We will only have 600 by 13. So this will give us 300 by 13. Hence B will be root over 300 by 13. So our B is root over 300 by 13, that is base in this triangle is root over 300 by 13. So from this now we can find the hypotenuse very easily using Pythagoras theorem. So let us put this here. So slant height let be known as SH. So this will be equal to this is square, and hypotenuse perpendicular is our 13, that is given the height of the pyramid. So this will be 13 square, plus we will have 300 by 13. Root over 300 by 13 whole square gives us 300 by 13. So solving this further, we will get 13 square is 169. 300 divided by 13 gives something close to 23.07. So now adding this to 169, we will get 192.07, and we have a square there in SH, that is slant height. So slant height will be equal to root over 192.07. So we can find the root over of 192.07 very easily. So root over 192.07 will give us something close to 13.85. So this is nearest approximate value to this will give us 14, because we have been said rounded to the nearest integer. Hence we have rounded this number to the nearest integer, which was 14. So our answer to this question is 14 centimeters. So let's check the options. Option number C matches with our answer. Hence option C is the correct answer to this question. So I will like to end this video here. You will find solutions to the further questions in our next videos.